This Sawzall here, and I like DeWalt. It's a cordless. It's cordless DeWalt. It's fully charged with a 4Ah battery. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these. These are just copper, so nothing major. But over here, I'm going to cut galvanized pipe. So I'm going to show you how to cut copper and galvanized and how easy and hard each one is. And here we go. Ooh. Those are cut. That was pretty easy. And this I just broke off. This is brass. That's copper, so brass and copper you can scrap. Okay, so now I'm going to cut these over here.